Yes.
Okay, my friends. Yeah, come, sweetie. Today my friend is here to visit me. Hello.
Hi.
I turned her into a total Habesha wife, madam. So I'm going to teach her how to make a shiro.
I'm so excited.
Yay! Okay, the shiro powder is chickpeas with red pepper, and it has onion and garlic and all this good stuff and spices. And my good sweetie pie and honey boo boo here is going to make the shiro.
I am so excited. Shiro is one of my favorite things.
Yeah, and she's getting and she's learning how to make it.
I have tomato,
Yeah.
garlic, and some onion. I chopped them up, right?
Yes, you'll
Okay.
chop those up,
Okay.
and then
They're so cute. In America, these things are like
huge, right?
huge.
But they're different
Because
type
of
of
the
onion.
hormones.
Yeah, but also they're different type of onions. These are like red onions, and you have like the white onions.
We have red too.
You have red,
Yeah.
like, but are they this big?
No.
Are they this small?
No, these are so cute.
Yeah, they're tasty as well. Organic, baby.
I mean, the soil here though in Ethiopia is
Yeah.
amazing. Uh-huh.
And then voila.
Oh. Our skin doesn't even come off so easily.
Mm?
Our skin doesn't even come off so easily in our
Really?
garlics. No.
This is really one good one. It's very moist,
Yeah.
very big, fresh, and then you can smell it from here. So I don't think we need this much.
Okay.
I think this is
Okay, enough.
yeah. So we're going to put it all in here. We wash this, yeah.
Okay.
Ooh. Here you go. But you're doing good job.
Okay.
Come, Gomez.
Masaya na lang.
Bravo. Andanya.
Okay. Good. Teamwork.
Teamwork. Makes the dream, mention. Makes
The dream work.
Yes, yes, yes.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Dream work, meow. Onion for you. Garlic for you. Pa, 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 pa.
I see why you say I'm so slow. Right.
We look like we're high or something. We're not, I promise.
No, Raki.
Here, half for you. And we have this fabulous pot. We're going to cook with this.
Mm.
We are very fancy people, as you can
I love it.
see. Yes, we're very fancy people, and we'll just do this. You can do like the onion and the garlic separate, but I'm lazy right now, so we're just gonna cook it together, okay? I'm hungry. Okay, I just put it there. And then get in there with the tomato. Pum, pum, pum. Pum, 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 pum.
Speedy over here.
Speedy Gonzalez. Baka, Sevini.
Okay.
Baka, Shinkurt down. Mamasya. So with this, you can go.
All right. Is it on?
Yes, let me take this away from you.
Okay. You okay?
Yes, I burned myself.
Woo, it is hot.
Hot.
Okay, so now stir. Yeah? A second.
When are you coming back? You're coming back tomorrow, right?
Oh,
I'm getting the flames.
Papa, Zamaragab. Look at you doing a good job. Papa.
Making you proud?
Mom, you're making me very proud. Gomez. So she just chopped the onions and the tomato. And now, she's making the fire go bam 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 bam. Gomez. Perfect. This looks so good on you that you're going to find now Ethiopian husband, I'm telling you. They'll be like, oh, she knows how to make coffee in Shiro, Becca. Becca finished. My wife.
Good visa.
What?
Good, so then I get Ethiopian visa.
Yes, permanent visa. So if you're looking for America wife, madam. Okay, I burned myself a little bit.
Aww.
So I am using onion peel.
That helps with the burn?
Yes, fix it right up.
I'm
Yes.
just learning so many things.
You learn after you cut the onion, you chop the tomato so your hands don't smell. And then if you burn your hand, you use onions. Like these onions have a lot of healing power. Garlic is like anti-inflammatory, it is antibiotic. It's really good for lots of things. Gomez. There you go. Okay, now you can stop turning it.
Okay.
And then close it.
Good.
Yeah. Take the top off with one hand. And then like stir with the other.
They put where? Here?
No, on the side. On the side.
On the
You see
side
like
of
the ears.
Ah.
The ears of the no.
Oh.
No, just like this.
Okay.
So now that everything is ready here, open it please.
Okay.
Yes, it's see, it's doing
Ooh,
I don't-
bubbling.
Yes, bubbling.
That's the word.
I'm like, it's doing the
Okay.
you hold it here and then you keep turning. Okay, let's keep adding.
How many scoops?
We will just check. We'll check how.
But
The
how do you
thickness.
know? Because this is always, because I do cook Shiro at home.
Yeah, but you will just see the thickness and then the amount of thickness that you want, then you stop adding. But don't stop when it's like when you see the texture that you like, because the Shiro, the more it cooks, it gets like thicker.
Thicker.
So you have to see like. You have to see a little, yeah, you have to leave it like in between, you know?
Okay.
Not so thick, not so small, just like in the middle.
Okay.
Wait, see, let me see. Whole thingy.
And you stir it and you get all the lumps, right?
Yeah, but slowly.
Oh.
Don't put it on yourself. Do it again. You want to see your fabulous Shiro?
Yes.
Shake this out.
Oh, yummy.
Okay, we got injera here.
Oh,
Yeah?
beautiful.
There we go.
Did you make?
Yes.
Wow.
Of course. We got injera, we got Shiro, that this fabulous lady made, and then Harag also made.
Yay!
Oh, and she's also a YouTuber. She have an amazing page, and her name is on YouTube, on Instagram, and TikTok is Zam Parker. I will put it here.
I should come wash my hands too, right? Woo! We are excited!
We're excited for the shiro. Very excited for the shiro. You know the shiro in the street language. You know what is shiro?
No, what?
Doke.
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 Dookie.
No, doke. No, doke.
Doke.
Tata, come.
Ash.
Come. We serve the food now. Have a seat.
I'm coming.
You hold this.
Okay.
Okay, we can do two, one for you, one for me, but I don't like that, so we're going to eat in one plate, okay?
Okay. Together, because that's how you normally eat.
Yes,
Together.
Exactly.
Okay.
Now, please put shiro here.
Okay.
There you go.
Yummy.
Go,
More, right?
Yes. Okay, let me help you out here, because your clothes is on the way. Pop, 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 pop.
Wow.
It
Look how
looks.
good it looks.
Wow.
Yummy.
Wow. Okay, كده. ስለዚህ በስመ አብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ አሐዱ አምላክ አሜን። የተባረከ የተቀደሰ ምግብ አድርግልን፣ በረከቱን ላክልን። አሜን።
Amen.
Still, let's try the salt. Zero ጨው.
Yellow?
Yeah. Doesn't have salt.
Oh, no salt.
Both. Okay. Yeah, you can close it. Be. በጣም ቆንጆ ሽሮ
በጣም ቆንጆ
በጣም ይጣፍጣል። አውርስሽ ታያለሽ።
I try it to you.
Sure.
Okay. Is there a trick?
No, there is no trick. Just don't make it too big, so I don't.
I know some people make them huge.
Unnecessary.
It is unnecessary.
Did I do it properly?
Very nice.
Yay!
Give you gursha. We want to show hospitality and love and appreciation to our friends, and the only way we do it is by giving food and by sharing food, because there's nothing more than food, because at the end of the day we all live for our stomach, right?
Okay.
And there's nothing more beautiful than sharing your food with others. That's why we always eat with one plate and we share with people.
I love it.
So while we're eating, instead of giving it to ourselves, to show love and hospitality and appreciation, we make gursha.
Gursha.
Okay? Not a lot of people know how to make gursha. They think they do, but they don't. Okay?
There's a trick.
Yeah, I'm talking to you. You know who you are. You know you are that one who don't know how to make gursha. That means it's not about how big it is or how small it is. It's about how good it is, in a sense. It should be like the right amount, so you're not like shoving down the throat of somebody, like you're making them like they can't breathe. It's also making it moist, because some people give me dry injera, and that's not fun. It's just, you're just giving me a bowl of dry injera. So
Now that one I never knew.
Yeah, so make sure that you put enough sauce in it, make sure you put enough wet in it, and then don't make it too big, please, because it's not fun. Yeah.
Okay.
But then this is how much I love you, okay?
Okay.
People say when they make the gursha very big, it's the way they're showing you like we love you more.
Oh.
You know, like we want to give you all the food. But no. Me, I give enough, okay? Enough love is enough. Like too much is also not nice. Yeah. I give you enough love. Yeah, me.
Yeah.
Bamote. Bamote. Building.
Now I can do you?
Yes, please. Make it wet, negrescialo. You give me dry injera, I kill you.
I not give you dry injera.
Yes. Give
Okay.
me, but I'm conjo.
Okay.
Yes, go. Let me see. You roll very good, huh?
Yeah? Okay, this one's good, right?
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, good. Give
Okay.
me.
Should I do like this instead? I'm learning.
She just
I'm
threw
learning.
it at me
You're
like-
the first person I've ever done that to, though.
Oh, I'm so flattered.
Aww.
But it's very dry. Your love is very
No,
dry.
no.
The trick is when you open the injera, okay?
Ash.
Injera is open like this. Don't roll it before you put it in here. You open it. There you go.
Ah.
And then grab. Okay? Grab what?
Grab.
Yes, just get it. And then roll. And then you have a nice what inside. Yeah? It's okay, but you did a really good job for your first time.
Oh,
It's
thank
very
you.
nice. It's
Thank
very
you.
beautiful. And I am so happy. You know, jokes aside, I'm very happy. Like whenever someone comes to my home, which is Ethiopia, and I'm very happy when they want to learn my culture. And I'm so happy that my friend wants to know, wants to learn.
Thank you.
And it was my pleasure to show you. Knowledge is power, and now she knows many things.
No, so many. Thank you
Many
so
things.
much. I learned a lot today.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah, I enjoyed so much.
Perfect.
I'm a second, although.
My pleasure. Minimum this blowing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next video. And we're gonna enjoy our show. Bye. Behind the scene, like the lighting, ምናምን